Okay, this is the head from the Fracino Retro lever coffee machine. I think it's the same for the newer Astoria Perle, and I don't know what others. So I'm trying now to put this piston back into this group to connect it to the head. I had to compress the spring. This is, I think, what is it, 5 threaded rod, and then I made a little bracket to compress the spring, and then I'm trying to put this piston back in, and I connected it a couple of turns into the head. Then I'm going to try to release the pressure tension and to take the bracket out, hopefully. I have cable ties to hold some pressure, hopefully. I'm going to sell these brackets now on the internet. Brav!